Welcome to English with Mark. Grammar with the past continuous. Grammar through examples. How to use was, were plus ing. We use the past continuous in several situations. But how? We use the past continuous to talk about something in progress in the past. I was reading at 8 p.m. yesterday. I wasn't watching TV last night at 9 p.m. Were you talking on the phone at 7 p.m? It is simple, but you need to learn through examples. We use the past continuous to say something is happening in the background. It was raining when I went home. I was talking on the phone when you called me. We use the past continuous to say something was temporary in the past. I was working in a shop when I met you. Now, let's look at some examples. What were you doing at 9 p.m. last night? I was reading my book at 9 p.m. Now, let's ask some questions. Were you talking to your family when I tried to call? Yes, I was. What were you doing when I saw you? I was shopping. What were you looking for? I was looking for a new bag. Be careful, we use the past continuous with last night, last week, last month, last year, yesterday. Grammar through examples. Keep on learning. Enjoy your English.